Rochford District residents, I need a minute of your time and probably some help. 4 years ago you said you wanted the Freight House back open as an event space, and Rochford District Council have committed to over £700,000 getting it back open. But is that really what Rochford needs? Is there something better? I'm representing East Essex Hackspace, starting a new charity to be run by residents, which has an alternative proposal, the concept of which I'm going to show you now. We definitely want to see events back on, everything from discos and live music, beer festivals, I'm the King Brewer myself, cinema nights, indoor car boot sales and perhaps even youth groups. But that's not all. At the front there's an upper hall, something we can see being a small town museum. In addition, a drop-in centre run by some of our many partners, providing things like help with digital services, health checks, counselling and volunteering opportunities. Then the hack space at the back of the building, with space to work on projects or just socialise. A hireable community room which would be used for board games with our board game library, our Lego club or music groups. Then we have our sewing and textiles space for crafting and repairing. Downstairs, the old hall will be converted to metal and woodworking spaces, teaching tools and techniques and giving space for that project. We also offer a tool library where you can check out tools free of charge to work on things at home, and our 3D print lab where you can print without having to maintain complicated equipment at home. With our proposal, it's so much more than just an event space, it's a focal point for the whole community. If this is what you want to see, a regeneration project fit for such a great building, contact your local councillor and leave a comment below for us to pass on.